Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Chibi Godzilla in a surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Chibi Godzilla surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and line up the corners, giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Chibi Godzilla. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a circle for one eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'll make the circle shape for the other eye. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to draw a circle. Now I'm going to color in most of it, or actually I'll color in all of it. And I'll do that same thing here. I'm just going to make another circle and I'm going to color in all of it for the pupil. Next, let's go ahead and make a little line that's just going to come up and down here for part of the mouth. I'm going to go ahead and put two little dots in here for the nose. Then we're just going to curve this line down here for the bottom. Now, starting here, let's make a line that curves up, and we'll make a line right here that's going to curve up. We'll make this little bump shape for the ear, and this little bump shape for the ear. Then we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bumps across. Then I'm going to make a diagonal line here and a diagonal line here for his eyebrows. Then I'm going to make a little smile underneath here. I'm going to bring this down and I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make this line curve down and this line curve down. Do the same thing here, curve down and curve down. We're going to do an oval shape and an oval shape. Then we're going to come down here and down here. Then I'm going to make a little bump here for the tail. And we'll make 1, 2, and 3 points on here for one of the spikes. I'm also going to make 3 little points here for a spike. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have these nice little guidelines to show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to begin by making this line go down and this line go down. Then I'm going to make this line come up and this line come up. Now, right underneath the fold, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down, and then another one here so we can see him smiling. Then right here, I'm going to make this line kind of curve up and down for his mouth. I'm also going to bring these lines down a little bit. Now, let's go ahead and draw some of the fun little Chibi Godzilla characters in here. So, let's go ahead right here and let's start with Mothra. So actually, let's do this. Let's start with Mechagodzilla. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and down. Then we're just going to go right across here. We're going to go down here and down here. We'll put a little bump here for our Chibi Godzilla tongue. Next, I'm going to go up, over, and down. Then I'm going to go over, up, and then back over. Put the 2 dots here for the nose. And a little circle here for some detail. I'm going to make a square shape eye and another square shape eye. 2 lines for eyebrows. Then we're going to do a square pupil shape. We can go ahead and color those in. We'll do a little point on each side and a little rectangle shape up here. We'll do a little line on each side here. We're going to bring this down, over and up, down, over and up. We'll do a circle shape with a small circle inside of there. Circle shape, and we'll put a small circle inside of there. Then we'll just do a line here and here. Now, let's go ahead and do Anguirus. So let's begin by making a circle for an eye, and then we'll make another circle for an eye. We'll make some circles here, and we'll just color them in for the pupils. For the nose, we're going to make a triangle shape and a curve across. I'm going to make a line here and a line here for eyebrows. Then we're going to make a nice big curve here. And then another nice curve right here. We're going to make an oval shape for the mouth. We're going to make a line with a bump, and we're going to bring this back. Then we're going to curve this line to here. We're going to bring this line down, and we'll bring this up. Let's go ahead and put 4 little spikes on top. And some little spikes here with more little spikes in between. Over here, let's go ahead and draw Ghidorah. So let's start at the middle head. I'm going to begin by making an oval shape like this. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle here. And we're going to color in a pupil towards the top of each eye. 2 dots. We're going to make a line across and a line that goes down and up. Then we're going to put 3 horns on here. We're going to bring this line down and this line down. Let's make a line that goes up, and this time we're going to kind of curve it around, and then we'll bring it down. We're going to make a sad face and a sad face, 2 dots, and then a nice big happy face. Then we'll put our 3 spikes on here. This one we're going to make a big curve, and we're going to make that line down. We're going to make an angle line with a smiley face underneath it for the eyes. We're going to color in a black dot for the pupils. 2 dots for the nose. And this time we're going to curve up and down, or down and up, down and up. Then let's make a nice big smile. And 3 spikes. Make a line that's going to curve up and up. And we're going to make some points here. Same thing here, curve up and up. And then we're going to make a few points here. And we'll connect it to here. Now let's go ahead and put Mothra over here. So start off with Mothra. We're going to make an oval shape for the head. Then we're going to make two little lines that come down for the body. We're going to make a big curve and a big curve in here. We'll make a little circle shape in here, and then we're going to make a little V-shaped smile. We'll put a large circle inside each one of these. We'll make a curve with a couple bumps for her antennas. Line with a circle, line with a circle. We'll do that same thing here. Then I'm going to make one and two little curves, one and then a second little curve. We'll put a circle inside each one. Then finally, our last one, just so we can kind of have an odd number of characters in here, let's put Rodan. So to start off with Rodan, let's begin by making a pointed line with a curve. We're going to go down and up and a little line here. We're going to make a curve, a couple little points, and a curve here. We'll bring this down, and we'll bring this line down. We'll make a line that curves up and down, and a couple little bumps here for the hand. We'll make a circle and a line above it. And then we'll color in the pupil. Then finally, let's just bring these two lines down. Let's bring this line up. We'll bring these lines down. And then we're going to bring this line down and this line down. And this line up and this line up. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Chibi Godzilla surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we've got our Chibi Godzilla, and when we open it, we can see all his Chibi friends coming out of his mouth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.